assuming here that this string is a string that should be in a job message.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not always the case because we have other two commands like help and project. And this means that instead of, we should do an if, like a switch case inside here, and then check a field of this list of structs to see the type of the message, and then we're gonna have to make a function that returns an embed for each one of them. So this seems pretty easy in my eyes. Then the second thing is to discover how to manage databases.
Oh, right. Here's the question.
By the way, we are streaming, okay?
Okay.
Right.
So
So I have two questions, maybe one only. About the databases, you guys wanted to store you didn't want to store the jobs, right? But I think it's also a good idea to do that because we can make the bot store the jobs like async, and then we just query from the database.
That's what Breno suggested that.
Cache,
Breno
right?
suggested that.
Yeah, I think it's nice because we save everything in there, like for I don't know, some specific tags or whatever, or just anything really, and then we can just get from there.
Yeah, that's just a lot smarter to do some caching, like a bunch of.
I can make the SQL thingy.
But anyway, regardless of the approach that we're gonna do, if you're gonna store the jobs in the database or not, we need to learn how to do databases. Because we need to communicate them with the database from here.
That shouldn't be hard, actually.
Yeah, but I kind of want to start with the easy thing. So what you think, Nathan?
You could just do an extreme go horse thing. Shouldn't be hard.
I think that the message would be easier.
Yeah, the message is definitely easy. So let's do that for now. So okay, where this struct will live? I think it can live kind of here, for now at least. So we're gonna make something like a message. It's gonna have the body of the message. It's gonna have like something like a type. Yeah, but this is a keyword, so I think I need to, I don't know, a kind of the message.
Kind.
Oh my god. Wait, but kind is an int?
Yeah, we don't have enums here. I already told you that.
Oh, you have Iota thing, don't you?
What do you mean?
What? Search for Go Iota.
Oh, elegant constants.
Yeah, but you can make enums with that.
How do you know that, Magetta?
I'm a heretic, right? They're pretty cool because I think they reset whenever you start calling them again. I'm not sure, but I saw Zoding basically doing that on Porf.
Okay.
He basically imitated the implementation, but in Python.
Okay, that's fair. But I think I remember why I'm not using this. Because I decided that I want to, because I was doing this code thing, right? The kind. I already did it with the code. Like I already have IDs for each type. So for the job search is the one. For the store project ID is
but
true.
Man, why don't you use a string there?
It doesn't matter.
Like on the message, why don't you use like a string there as the tag?
String for what?
As the tag instead of
the language is monotyped.
No. It matters for us, man.
There's only one type, bytes. That's the type.
No. It matters for us.
Go ahead, Nathan. What is your suggestion?
Well, using a string type, right?
For what?
This
is a string type.
For kind.
Why? Why?
Well, because it's easier for us. So if I'm creating a message of a given kind, which one is the two? Like, right?
Okay. That's fair. So we also have a kind as a string. We have the body of the thing, and there's something else that I notice. Because in the embedded message. Okay, so let me grab Discord. So here, you see that this is a link, the job hunting title. And I hard-coded the link to the profile that we are using, the Who is Hiring bot. And I kind of want to change this to the specific comment, like the link to the comment itself, because you're gonna have like each job opportunity will be like a comment in that post, right? So it kind of makes sense to just these links to the comment itself, and you just go there. So I kind of want to add that here as well. So this would be like a title. Yeah. So what we need to do then is to, instead of having this guy, we're gonna have a message. So message here. And of course this will break. So we need to do something along the lines of message. If I do empty like in here, it doesn't like that. Oh, wait. Yeah, I didn't thought this through, man. We cannot just change this because I remember changing the, because this if, what is this if doing, right? This if is checking if you're trying to do a command after parsing the kind of the command, but if you pass, you didn't pass arguments for the command, so you did like, you did Neko job, and you didn't pass the how many, and you didn't pass the key sentence. This will be configured as an error. And then we are printing in the terminal the error, and then if this is actually an error, we are returning the help message. So sometimes this is going to be just a help message instead of like a body, a kind, and a title. So we need to do message, and we need to construct a message here and put this MSG as the body of it. And how do you do that? You do body message, title is going to be empty. Actually, I'm going to put help, and the kind is also help. So now we need to discover why this is not working. Undeclared body. Okay, so maybe I need to save. I don't know.
Isn't it equal instead of like column?
I don't think it's an equal because I did it like this with command.
Okay, so I don't know.
With command. Yeah. Okay. Maybe. Well, let's try crazy stuff. Yeah, it's two braces. It's one to construct the empty list, and the another one to construct the message. Because I'm kind of I'm creating a list, right? I'm creating a list, but this list specifically has one single message.
Oh, it's the same thing as Seaman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this instead of
start a vector, like an array, like that as well.
Not that that sounds like a good thing, but okay.
Well, yeah, but
yeah, I would rather use like an optional type or something like that, but you don't have these things. This thing here. This is also a message. This is also a message.
Hey Mageta, do we have Lisps focused on having like a easy experience with concurrent and parallel stuff?
I think there are some schemes that are they're focused for that. There are some of them that are for like embedded systems, like FPGAs. But for concurrency, I think Clojure is focused on concurrency. Of another Lisp? I don't know, man. I know you can do like with any of them, but like if it's made thinking about that, I know just Clojure.
Oh, we probably have at least one GitHub project that a guy did like 10 years ago and has like 2 stars, right?
Yeah, it sounds like you're mocking, man.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm actually not.
Stop trolling.
Yes,
Stop trolling.
yes, not that.
You think you are fooling us. Oh man. Okay, so title. The title of this one will be project ideas for now, and this will be kind. So this will be project, and there's another one here. Okay, so two functions already changed the type. Now this guy. Go to definition. Okay, so this is where we're not gonna use hard-coded stuff. Okay, so this is message.
Please somebody shoot me.
What
Why?
happened?
Man, I'm trying to set my VM in, but it doesn't work.
Oh man.
And it's worse. It's a VM on Windows running Ubuntu.
But wait, what do you mean?
It's a VM on Windows running Ubuntu.
Wait, but what do you mean specifically by
Oh,
VM? You mean like a
It's
full-blown virtual
It's a
machine?
virtualization. No, it's a virtualization. It's a hypervisor thingy. It's not on Docker nor anything, by the way. It's like literally, like Microsoft stuff.
Oh, but it's not the blown one that you are using, like one of those programs. What is the name? I forgot the name, but.
But, like, what I get pissed is that sometimes it works, sometimes it stops working, and I don't know.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like a good.
Yeah,
Okay,
welcome.
Okay, work now.
Well-
We'll just ignore it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hey, man, I don't know how Lemos does this, man.
Good question.
Yeah,
Good
it's
question.
This is
pain in
torture.
the butt.
But I think he likes that, right? He has like
No.
Windows and
This is-
Mac, so.
This is self-inflicted torture, man. Like in macOS, at least it's a Unix. Like you can take a Linuxism script and just change a little bit, like, and boom, it works.
No, it's I already had better experiences with macOS as well. So yeah.
Oh, I mean, aren't you use like one of those like VirtualBox, like the program, like the Oracle stuff? Is that you're saying, or a lower level stuff?
I am using SQL Server, Nathan, just so you know.
No, I mean when you mean
It's not like
VM.
Postgres, man. SQL Server. Just so you
No,
know.
sure, but that's what you want to run on the VM, right? Or oh no, that's native,
no,
right?
I wanna run Kafka. A Kafka cluster locally, so it like
Okay.
syncs with the
But
garbage.
do you want to do that inside something like VirtualBox, like that
No,
program?
yeah, that's the thing. It's like VirtualBox, but it's embedded in Windows because when people did this
Like
thing,
it's
they
lower
were
level
doing-
stuff, right?
Yeah, it's like Microsoft has this thing called Hyper-V, which you enable in the system, and it's basically like a
Allows
hypervisor
virtualization.
for Windows. Yes, no, it's virtualization. It's not emulation. Which is basically
Oh.
like a WSL, but for like any operating system, and you can just install it like natively.
Hmm.
But it's very clunky. Like sometimes it breaks, and you have to integrate, like configure it via PowerShell. Like,
Well, it sounds lovely. Do you have
Yes.
any support for someone that did that or documentation?
yes, there is a whole wiki on the company like to set it up, and you need to follow it like religiously, otherwise it will fail.
What?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm not looking, by the way, so
No,
I'll
that's no
probably be
problem.
useless
I'm
for
just
that.
no, I'm just changing. I'm just changing the things to the correct thing. Beautiful.
Oh, it worked. Oh, I'll not touch
Nice.
this. I will never touch this again.
Nice, man.
I'm never touching this again. Never.
Never. Never, never, never.
Bold
Never
claim.
until I need it.
Okay.
Oh,
So,
man.
okay. So I discovered how to do default values, apparently, which is nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Because the majority of the cases, the title link would be empty. It only makes sense when you're searching for a job.
I'll try to make a Go thing to connect to a database. Let me
Yeah.
just finish the PowerShell thingy. I'll literally become a PowerShell wizard, man. I can see that.
Is that a good thing?
No. Not.
That is confident. This is not a good thing.
There is LSP for PowerShell, by the way.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Come
It's
on.
It's a whole powerful language.
Okay, Nathan, do you think if you add an extra here, it will work?
I have no idea, man. It's Go. Like, I don't expect much, actually.
Yeah, it works.
Nice.
It worked, right?
Like, if it's running, it's already profit for me regarding Go.
Okay, let me test something out. Because can I access specifically this comment? That would be really nice. Let's test this hypothesis. So let's go to the Hacker News API again. How do you do it?
If you go to the Clojure website, Nathan, they literally brag about concurrency. So they really sell that idea.
Okay, that's worth
I
take a look at.
I think it's just because of the immutable structures, like data structures by default. But I don't think there is anything like amazingly concurrent about it. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you can. You actually can.
Wait, what?
You can what?
You can visualize just the comment itself outside of the post.
But
nice.
We already knew that, man.
No, we didn't. We didn't. We are using an API links, not Hacker New web links.
No. We saw that before, Lemus.
No, I never saw a comment be isolated from the rest of the post.
I think I can show you on previous streams, but okay.
Okay, go ahead. Const. I don't know. Comment URL.
Do you have pointers in Go?
That's a good question. I actually don't know.
That thing that we were doing looks like pointer, right? They have the same syntax at least.
The language like brags about being fast and everything, and it was made by Ken Thompson. Probably it does have pointer, and it doesn't have garbage collection. So probably.
I don't know. I think I remember Breno talking about garbage collection.
Oh, so it probably doesn't. If he has pointers, probably like F#.
Man, we are not doing any kind of what's the name? Memory management, man. So either they do have, or we are doing a terrible job here.
Well, probably we are doing a terrible job, but that doesn't imply.
Okay, but regarding specifically memory management.
Oh no. Okay. Okay, so now
if this VM stops working, I will go crazy.
don't go crazy, I guess. Don't go crazy, man. It's not worth it.
Okay. Ubuntu is dead. No. And a hard drive.
Can I make a channel with of tuples? That would be nice. Can I make like a string and then here?
It is like a type, right? Like an actual type. Tuples there. You have.
What is there here? Expected closing parentheses found comma.
I thought you were nailing parentheses already.
What?
No, it's really not done that. Really not done.
Wait, what? What?
Complaining about parentheses.
I only complain about unnecessary one.
Yeah, but this is not working. So I guess we cannot make a channel of tuples, and that sucks.
And in Lisp, no parentheses is unnecessary.
Yeah, that's the thing I love about Lisp.
Yeah. Oh man, that sucks. Because you see here, what we want to put inside child select res. We want to have the URL, right? But you only have the ID
Man, you
to
could use a
make the
struct,
URL.
right?
Ah, we could, but
Well,
okay,
it
let's
will be
do
the
it.
same as a
Yeah,
tuple,
let's
but
do
with
it.
a name.
Type. I don't know, content.
Somebody shoot me.
Come on.
The
Dude, I discovered
body.
the problem, man. Oh.
Sorry.
Like I basically got pissed today at work because I was trying to do like a
Be
feature
careful. Be
for.
careful what you say because.
We are
No,
streaming.
yeah,
Well,
not saying anything.
okay.
But like I was trying to do um man. I screwed up the VM. Oh man, kill me.
How nice.
Wait, but how? Are you tweaking some configuration or you just try to
Yeah, I
use it?
need to basically enlarge, like plug in a new hard drive. So I can make it so I can like put the Kafka garbage in there. So it's like a 300 gigabytes like space. But the problem is when I reboot the machine, it breaks. Like it doesn't boot back because of some random thing that I don't know. Like I just try to expand the thing and it breaks. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, life is hard. People
Life is
taught me that back in the day.
I will never
Uh,
reboot this thing again.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. It will not break, supposedly.
Yeah, man, Benavides is right. We should just have like a normal like snapshot of the thing and just give that away to people, like not make them configure this thing all over again. If it is possible, I don't know if anybody tried this. No.
man,
There.
what the actual heck is this? Nathan,
Hmm?
you see this if here?
Just a second. Okay, I see it.
Do you see that we are appending an error message to messages, which is being declared here?
Okay, I see.
And you also see that we are not returning messages. Oh man.
Wait, I didn't got it. Can you say it again?
Yeah, so we have two for some random reason that I still don't know. We have two arrays of messages. We have one that is only being touched here.
Wait, didn't you just created that? No,
No,
you
I
didn't.
did.
Because we
No,
had
I did.
messages prior to that.
Yeah, so
I don't know. Maybe we were thinking about doing something and we just didn't.
Yeah, it's possible. It's
Aren't you
definitely-
not using that message for anything
No, I'm not.
at all? Not even errors?
No, but that's the thing. We need to. This is an error.
No, yeah, but yeah. So you are using for errors, so you don't need to return, or do we?
Yeah, because the original intent was to send the error message to us in Discord. So I kind of need to return the error message as in the list itself.
Oh, I think that was the thing that we didn't end up doing, like, right?
I think we did that, but anyway.
Like, you can take a look at the type signature. If it's not
I need
there,
to think a little bit. We can do something really. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we can try. We can put inside the storage, inside the storage channel. We can put the thingy like comment, and then this, and then body, error, like this, and then the kind would be an error, like this. and basically you remove this. Yeah. And now it's complaining about something that I don't know what it is. Okay, so it's complaining that cannot use your. Okay. Oh, it's because this is expecting this, like another a JSON struct, but we don't have that in this particular case. That sucks. That sucks. Okay, so what should we do then? Let me think a little bit. Because let me try to explain to you. We just changed from, because we wanted to put tuples in here, right? But we couldn't, so we decided to make a struct. And this struct assumes that you're going to have a comment as the body and a URL as the string. But what we are trying to do here is to send an error message, which is another different string itself. So the body here is complaining that, oh, I am expecting a Hacker News content comment, but this is a string.
But why are you trying to put on that channel?
Because this is the way that we know that it's safe to add things to this list.
But the Nihor?
Yeah, because we want to send the, like, we can just forget about showing this particular error in Discord. We can.
Yeah, man. So then it's just a question about types, right? You need a type that accommodates both. And you don't have some type?
Yeah, we don't have optional types. let's do like the following. Let's not send this particular error to Discord.
Mm-hmm.
And let's just assume, like, let's just continue adapting this to this comment struct. Okay, so this is the transformation channel, which is this guy. This guy is speaking a child, which is now a comment, right? And now what we need to do is do .body .text to check if that's the thing, and then we do the same here. Body, okay. And then what we need to do is put the child inside the storage, which is awesome. And then finally going to put into our storage, which is a list or array in this particular case. I always forget how in Go which one is which. Okay, and then we need to create, oh, it's in here that we're going to create the message. And the message is a body, is a kind, and a title. Okay, the body is going to be has.body.text, which is the content of it's translated to Markdown. Now we have the kind, which will be actually, let's put the title link now. The title link will be hasp.url, and then the kind will be job. Is this the one that I'm using here, the convention? Or I will create a convention now. Yeah, I'm going to create a convention now. Nice. Okay, so this is going to be jobs, the type, the kind, jobs. Okay, and save that. And I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done. Now we just need to adapt this guy, because now this is a list of messages, which means that now we need to do a switch case. Switch. So a switch of these will be messages I.kind. Is not how you do it? How you do it? Do we need parentheses? Just to piss off Manhattan? No, okay.
Oh man.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get the kind out of this thing, man?
Dot?
Yeah, dot is not auto-completing, so I'm kind of. Okay, but anyway, let's continue. So the first kind would be jobs. Then the second kind will be project. It's project or projects.
Is that way that you access element on that collection? Like the brackets?
Yeah, I was doing it like here, you see?
Yeah,
when
but
this was a
also
list of strings.
Okay.
Okay, so then when you have a job, what you're gonna do is job, job message, and then dot, and then we just need to see the struct again, where it is here. Okay, so it's gonna be a Okay, so what we need to do is the following. We have the description, and we're gonna have the title link, and this is also a string. Actually, the opposite is better. Okay. Okay, so the first thing would be the title link, then messages, dot, and this is gonna be the body itself. Message I dot kind of define it. Why? Why is this undefined? I don't get it. Do I need to get the message first? That would be really bad. Messages I.
That would be weird.
Yeah, no. Message dot something is undefined. Okay, so message dot. Yeah, we don't have apparently the thing. It's so damn weird. Why does this worked here then? I'm confused. Yeah, you see here.
Yep.
Here it worked for some reason.
Apparently, Kafka has a folder called Zookeeper. Don't ask me why. Yeah, man, it's names.
What Kafka means, by the way?
I don't know, man. I think maybe it's because of Hans Kafka. Franz Kafka, I don't know. The author, I mean. I don't know if it's Hans or Franz, I don't remember. The Metamorphosis, dude.
Okay, so this one will be project message. And here's going to be project. And this one will be, no, this is correct. This is help. And then help message.
Oh no, where is in log4j?
Okay. Okay, so aside from this weirdo, how to access a field? Oh, wait. Wait, what? Now I'm really confused.
Man, you can do the following. You can think of possible ways that this could be done, and then you choose the least pretty way. That's probably the way it's done.
Oh no, wait. I think I know. And if it is what I'm thinking, I'm gonna be very pissed.
Whoa, it needs to be uppercase. Oh. Wow. Wait.
You remember?
No,
you remember why?
No, but hey, it doesn't make sense because it was working with the message name.
No. But that's different. You didn't get it. Why then? Okay. I can explain. It's because the way that it's
massage.
This. The way that this thing is handled in Go is by the scoping. You remember that?
Nope.
If it's a capital, like why it shows parse command with capital P? Because if you do non-capital, it's gonna be private to this package. Remember that?
No, I'm not sure if I ever knew that.
Oh, okay, so you forgot because I told you this already.
Okay. But that's so dumb.
I prefer writing private. I prefer, personally.
Yeah.
But the convention apparently is to use the way that you write the thing.
Oh my god.
But this is still not freaking working. I don't get why.
You sound like a Python guy. Oh no, it's better than explicit. Like that.
No, I'm not defending the thing. I'm just saying how it is. what it is.
Python people.
Okay, so how to access fields instruct going here structs. How do yeah, it's dot. It's definitely dot. What the?
Is it that you need to build for VS Code to get information?
No, I don't think so. I really don't. But it's saying something here. It's saying bot.message. And in here it's saying, yeah. I'm really confused. Why this is not working? Title link is undefined. What the? What the? Yeah, I'm really confused, man. Really confused.
I wanted to know why does. Yeah, man, I don't know. Like, why does Java have this library, like log4j I'm talking about, that is so complex? It's a logging library, man. Why does it need to be so complex?
How do you know it is?
I am looking at the document, looking at the files, like the properties files, like the constants and the things to modify.
Okay.
And there's like a ton of other things, man. Like there's a bunch of splattered files of configs everywhere.
Man, have you saw the amount of keywords that the guys needs for doing types or declare if the thing is public or not? Or like, I think that they like big stuff.
I think like Java suffers of the problem of that guy on the talk that I sent to Stephen Kell. Like he mentions on C++, for example, and like most object-oriented stuff. People start making like interfaces to make their lives easier, but they start building stuff upon like other things. And when you need to go like deep in the library or something, you see that it's just a mess, like all linked together. Like I think log4j is like it caused all of that problem because a bunch of like other logging wrapper libraries, they were built atop of it as well. So you were just using like a nice interface to log stuff, but in the end it's still log4j. I may be wrong, right? And I'm just talking about like what I think is the problem.
Yeah, the thing is, I don't have much experience with logging.
Yeah, I don't.
So
I never worked with Java, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can't even imagine how you could make something complex for logging. Like, what kind of stuff do you need for logging? Like levels of stuff, but aside from that, what more do you need?
Good question.
Yeah, this problem sucks. This is the only thing that remains to test it. This is the literally the only thing that remains.
And then
Discover how.
wait. In the undefined has no field or method title link. Is it because it's uppercase? The fields?
There is no way. So you can. Oh, but no, but that would make sense though. Let's try put capital B in this crap.
Wow, that looks dumb. So I would.
Oh yeah, it
is.
is. It is. It is.
Man, I told you. Look at the like dumbest way and ugliest way that you could do it. That's probably how it was done in.
I've seen worse. So this is not the dumbest, but this is definitely uglier.
Wait, what is the worst that you saw? Now I'm really curious about.
No way to make objects or structs at all. That's even worse.
I don't know because if you don't need it, you don't have why.
Yeah, I mean, I can live without objects, but structs is a little too much.
Too much.
Well, I don't know. Depending on what you are working, you don't need that abstraction, right?
Well, okay.
If you don't need that abstraction, I'm asking. Okay, so what are you doing then?
Assembly. That's the thing.
What the heck are you doing? Okay, so okay, is this already working? That would be really nice. Yeah. Okay, thanks, Nathan. Okay, body. But this is actually kind of nice that you can have this sort of granularity that easy, though.
No,
I
it's
prefer.
no, it's not.
I prefer
it's
having to
good
write
work,
private personally. But the fact that because I don't think you can do that in C with structs.
No, but
You can
man,
protect.
man, doesn't make any sense for you compare this with C, man. It's a modern language, like it doesn't have the
What?
same use cases.
We are comparing a lot of
not
things with
certainly
Lisp.
not
That's a
modern.
terrible argument. That's a terrible argument. We compare things with Lisp all the time, and that's not a new language, no.
Okay, but I think that at least people they were thinking about what they are doing. Like Go people maybe are not. In a bunch of cases.
Kim Thompson did that. I can assure he didn't.
So
Yeah, that's a terrible argument. The aging stuff, terrible argument.
yeah, okay. Yeah,
the
that's
Unix
true.
guy did it. It's bad. That's the argument.
Okay, this is a problem though. You don't have to break after a case, which means that how we're gonna, because the help in the default should be the default should be what actually?
He doesn't make that required, right, to have a default?
Yeah, it doesn't. So let's just remove it straight up. Okay, so this is no errors. We have errors here. Oh, it's because I need to change capital letters.
And never rebooting this machine again.
I hope you don't have a power outage though.
No, it's a VM, so I can just save the state.
Ah, nice. I hope you have an UPS then.
Wait, why is not that a state that you pass to people?
Good question. That's what I wanted to know. Why is it not a state, a snapshot of the VM that you just passed to people?
Yeah.
Good question, Etta.
Oh, no command. Go. What's the command to run this thing? I already forgot. I always forget.
I have no idea, Lance.
Is any go say or just go? I think it's just go, man.
No, it's not just
everything
go.
is go, like go fast. Yeah.
Oh man.
Go. I am almost sure it's go main go. How to write go code?
Go man, go.
Yeah.
Probably it's just go, man.
Okay, let's try just go then.
Yeah, it's right.
No, it's not. It's not.
But there maybe they have go run.
The file, right? Go and
run.
The
Oh,
file.
go run main go. Go run main go.
Are you sure that you need the main go? Because
maybe it assumes. Oh, the bot is running. Okay. The bot is running. Okay, so let's try the first one. Neko help. Yay! It's pretty.
I'm not seeing it. Can you show us?
Yeah, I can. See here?
Yes. Hey, let me help you. Here are my commands.
Why don't we make something like, hey, Goshijin-sama? Something like that.
No, come on. It's not a waifu, man. Don't even start it.
Certainly make it a waifu.
Yeah, we could, but...
Nice.
No. We can take
nice.
Like, I don't know, some anime girl from like the anime girls with like computer science books.
Oh, that would be nice.
Okay, first task is done. So now database stuff.
I forgot what we were doing again. What have we just done?
Oh man, that's great. That's great. Okay, so what have we done? We changed because previously we were assuming that everything would be a job message. Oh, and we need to test that as well.
Oh,
so let's
the
do
formatting,
Neko
right? Depending
jobs.
on the message, we do a different formatting, right?
Yeah. Oh, and this reminds me.
Wait,
This reminds me.
Okay.
Wait. we need to do a check. Because I was thinking about this the other day. If this, let's suppose that you put, I don't know, I want to work with fourth. Like, you do Neko jobs 10 fourth.
And find 0 results.
You're gonna find 0, but you're gonna try to do this with 10. So we need to do an if here. If len of child.
But hey, have you tried that? Because maybe he's not that dumb.
So you want to try?
Sure.
That's interesting. Let's try to break it then. So let's put Neko jobs 10 fourth. Let's all agree that this is impossible to work.
I will not agree with that.
Especially because I don't know how many. Oh, and this will use July. This is a test for the July thing also. Because now the bot who is hiring already updated to July. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. And okay, it's doing 700 whatever the crap. Okay, slice out of bounds. I told you, capacity 0.
Okay.
Okay.
We do need to check.
PowerShell is actually pretty good, man. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's actually
Mageta, man. You keep an eye on that. But if you start to go on that way, we need to talk, man.
Actually, it has types, man. Your shell has types.
It does? I don't know why, but that's I think they might transform the types in they might transform types in a hierarchy thing. Like, not sure.
Okay, so this I couldn't find.
You don't trust Microsoft. You should.
No, I don't. Even though I use a bunch of stuff.
I couldn't find
the editor.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, with this key sentence. And then what is the other thing? The title link. So the title link would be empty, and then the kind. Oh, we can create lack of jobs. Lack of jobs. Lack of jobs.
Isn't that just an error?
No.
How is that not an error?
No, because this is not an error of the application. This is an error of your search. You tried 10 with fourth. I couldn't find that many jobs with this key
But
sentence.
that's so weird, because that way you would have a kind for any kind of situation. The situation that you had only one
There's only
case.
There's only two kinds of situations in this specific command, which is or you found it or you didn't.
No, but you see, you are using type to treat. Let me see, man. I don't know, like they just don't seem in the same like order, like jobs and lack of jobs, because jobs for me, they can return like a bunch of different stuff, but lack of jobs is just the same, right? Like,
no, it's not.
how it's not?
I can't believe installing Visual Studio now.
No, come on, man. I think you are too.
No, it's Visual Studio Enterprise, Nathan. It's not VS Code.
No, I know, but the thing is, you are really thinking about the bad sides, man. Think a little bit about the good sides.
Is there a good side, Nathan?
Yeah, you have
Yes.
Microsoft Office there.
Oh, yes.
How good is that?
Amazing. Wow, cool.
Wow.
Now you can use like Word and stuff. Why use the Google Sheet that is like on the browser and pretty
I
clean?
already
You
don't
could use.
Google.
Huh?
So I already don't use Google, so that's fine.
Wait, you do everything on Emacs then?
Emacs or LibreOffice, man.
Oh,
LibreOffice Word,
okay.
that's fine.
I forgot about that thing.
Or the Apple garbage, which is almost the same thing as Office, but it's Apple.
It's probably pretty, right?
It's like what you would expect from like a spreadsheet.
Okay.
That's it. Dude, what the heck, man? Why there are so many stuff here?
What's gonna be the title of this? Try again next time. Okay. Okay, so let's recompile the thing. And let's do the same test. So fourth, and 10 jobs. 10, okay, so jobs,
I
10,
think I'll make a
fourth.
partial script.
But hey, the 10 is
Wait,
up to...
what?
Hey, the 10 should be, in theory, up to 10, right?
That's not the meaning that we are using, up to 10.
Because if you have 9 and you are looking for 10, it doesn't make sense you have errors on 9.
That's an interesting point. So let's change that. So if the... Oh, this is because this is wrong. It's like this. And then let's do what you said.
But why don't you have less or equal there?
Okay, so if this is exactly, then you do... Oh, wait. Yeah, if this is greater, this is greater.
Hey,
otherwise, you just return child.
Flames. I think that lack of jobs is only the 0 case, man.
0 case, what are you talking about?
Yeah, if you have no jobs with this description, then you have lack of jobs. If you
Oh,
ask
it's
for
because
10,
up to. Now I see it. Like this.
okay, and then if it's like, oh,
But now I think we need something like this.
wait, man, like if it's greater or equal, it's still wrong because that's not the up to, right?
It is the up to. So let's suppose that you asked for 10, but we got 9. Let's suppose that.
Yeah,
okay.
Then he will.
And then this is not gonna go through this if. If we got 9.
Oh, sorry. I was not paying attention to else. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's go. This should work now.
Okay.
Capacity 0. It's so sad, fourth. Nobody likes you.
Folks, I will just mute here. I will be back in a bit.
Okay. Try again next time. Oh, but you need to change the message because now you're using the meaning of up to. I couldn't find any jobs with this key sentence. Nice. Okay. So now we are coping with the error. Now, next task, we have 2 possibilities, which would be to use the atomic counters to get away with the doing 700 whatever the heck things. But I want to do a test first, which is to go to the profile of July and pick a keyword in here for only the first one, and see if we get this is doing like it's updated.
Okay.
So Neko jobs.
That's
1.
a really good test.
Lexia learning.
Oh, they have everything that you like there, man. TypeScript, React, Python.
What are you talking about? This is your jam, not my jam.
Oh man.
This is totally your jam.
Python, really?
Yeah, it worked.
Nice.
Yeah, and let's see if the link is working. So I'm gonna click the link.
Yeah, show Discord if possible.
No, it's not working. Yeah, it's redirecting to this, so it's definitely not working. So let's see why. So the job message has a title link. Oh, it's because I'm not using. Title link here. Thank you. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, the bot is running. Same thing. Neko jobs. Oops, Neko jobs. 1 Lexia learning. Okay, it's doing the 700 whatever.
Oh yeah, every time.
And okay, and then we got the message in the Discord, and yep,
Nice.
nice. Oh, this is getting fun. Okay, now second problem, atomic counters. So instead of doing 700 every single time,
Yeah, just one thing that I would like to discuss.
okay,
Can
go
we
ahead.
talk about that regarding in a higher level, in an abstract sense, and then we take a look on what are atomic counters? Because
Yeah.
maybe
So what we want to do is the following. We want to, yeah, this guy here, the filtering and translating to Markdown. This is the guy that it's putting into
no,
storage.
wait. What about the following? I will try to say it, and then you correct if I'm wrong, right?
Okay.
So the goal is not doing 700 requests if we don't need to, right?
Yes.
And the how to, in an abstract sense, will be like do a few requests like at the time. So we're not doing like one by one, but we do a few. And if up to there we don't have the many that we want, right? Then we do a batch more, right?
No, that's not how that's not how I intended to fix this problem.
Okay, how is
So
that?
how is my strategy that I'm thinking? Okay, so we're not gonna touch the workers that are doing API calls. We're not gonna touch them. What we would touch is the filtering and translating to Markdown, because this guy already knows how many, because this is a parameter of the function, and this guy is selecting them. So we can do like an if inside this
So
if.
when we have enough, just stop it, right?
And then you're gonna block these workers. And I think the way to block it is to use atomic counters.
But that's the thing, Lemos. Maybe we have two problems there. One of those is that I think you will like do more requests than you intended, like anyway. Because they will start, right? All of them.
No, they will not. No, they will not start all of them, because you only have 20. So you have at max 20 requests being made at a time.
Oh, okay. Forgot about that. Okay, yeah.
And then they are putting into this channel to translation.
Ooh.
But then we can like, at least in my abstract explanation, what I want to do is to close this channel if the translation worker figure out that, oh, we already have enough. Let's stop doing things.
Okay.
And then we're gonna like break from all the Go workers who have a if breaking. If the atomic counter is already with like
only
how
one
many?
more point then. The thing is regarding the sequence of the things that we are returned. So when I mean 10, it's like the most recent 10 or any 10, because that way the thing will not be stable, right? If I ask for 10 now and I ask for 10 1 second later, that they can be different, right? Because they will not be the first 10.
Yeah, but I think Go. No, I think they will be necessarily the first 10 because of how the API works.
Okay.
The API always returns in a chronological order, as far as I can tell.
Yeah. But see, just because I'm like doing in that sense, it doesn't mean that like the first will finish first also.
No, I agree with you that we are, but that's not important for us in this case. The chronological order is just a bonus at this point. What we want is, okay, we have this pool of jobs and we have some tags. We want to select the ones with the tags.
Yeah, it's not a problem. We just need to specify that also, right?
Yeah. So what I would suggest, oh man. Wait. Yeah, let's read atomic counters. Okay. So the primary mechanism for managing state in Go is communication over channels. We saw this example with worker pools. There are a few other options for managing state though. Here we look at using sync atomic package for atomic counters accessed by multiple Go routines, which is exactly what we want. We use an unsigned integer to represent our counter. Await group will help us await for all Go routines to finish their work. We start 50 routines that each increment the counter exactly 1,000 times. Okay. To atomically increment the counter, we use add uint64. Okay. We wait until all the Go routines are done. It's safe to access OPs now because we know no other Go routine is writing to it. Reading atomic safely while they are being updated is also possible using functions like atomic.load uint64. Using functions like load. Huh.
Hmm?
Okay, let's try that. So let's make this var. Let's call it requests. Okay, so requests. So the plan is the following. This will be this, or we've reached the... No, that's not gonna work. This is a totally different thing. Need to do an else if here. And then an else. Okay, so how this is gonna work? We're gonna do an else if here using this thing. So atomic load, because the transformer worker maybe it is writing to this. So we're gonna do, what is the... Okay, so you put the address to the requests. Okay, so requests, and then this is returning a value. Okay, if this is greater or equal...
already there?
Yeah, when you save, Go already imports for you.
Oh, okay.
And that's awesome.
Well, not Go, right?
No, Go itself. Breno told me that back in the day.
That's not the extension that you're using.
No, I don't think so. Breno told me that you never have to worry about importing things.
So
the only exception is when you're using a qualified import.
Okay, so you are saying that if I compile my file without like importing there, he will add the thing. It's not your like editor extension.
I guess so.
That's really strange, but okay.
That's strange. I agree. Ooh, this is interesting, man.
Mm-hmm.
Because how can we know that you're not closing multiple times? I'm worried. I'm a little bit worried about it. Actually, don't need to close. We just break. Yeah. Just stop doing whatever you're doing. Just stop. Yeah. I think this is fine. Okay, so let's go again. If we get an error, we just stop and print the error in the console. Doing the querying the comment, right? If we query the comment correctly, but we already know that we have enough, then we just stop. And then here we just do a request. I don't know, how do you increment this thing? Oh, you do like this. Okay. You just do like this. Okay. Seems fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's it. That should be it, at least.
Sounds easy.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do? We're gonna do, I already forgot, fmt print. Yeah. We're gonna put len of child selected res. Because this was 700 before, right? This was 700 before. But now, when I put, I don't know, the number 3...
Wait, are you sure? That's after filter, so it was not 700.
That's after filter. No, but okay, that's not 700, but that's still a lot more. Especially if I put JavaScript.
Yeah.
Now, what should happen is that... actually, we don't need this all these ifs anymore, I guess. Yeah, we can just do this. Yeah.
bu- bu- Okay, what is the if there that is closing the thing? Do you have the exact number that the person
Yeah, or
need
you
to
have
write?
the exact number, or you have less than the number that the
Or you
person
finish
requested.
it, right? Like
Yeah,
everything.
exactly, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see if this works. I'm not that hopeful though.
Yeah, let's try. Let's take a look on the site and the things that we. Oh, by the way, show Discord.
No, but I just sent I just triggered a bot there.
Mm,
What we need to pay
Okay, so
attention is
wait,
we
let
need
me
to find
see.
out. We need to find one. Let's put Python. I think Python will be the one that we're gonna get a bunch. So let's put like 5 in Python. I think that's fair. So let's
Yeah,
open
but
here.
first do like Control F on the page just to be sure that we do have more than five. Okay,
59.
yeah. Oh, not exactly, right? Because you can have like multiple Pythons on the same post. But yeah, it sounds okay. So
Oh, yeah,
let's
this
see.
one here you have 2. Yeah, but I think it's pretty fair to say that you're gonna have a bunch of Python.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, so let's do it then. So Neko jobs 3 Python. Go.
You are sending on Neko-bot?
Yeah, it's already triggered. You can see here the prints waiting for
Okay.
ID. If this takes too long, I think this is a deadlock.
Doesn't make sense.
That's a hard statement.
No, doesn't make sense to take that long.
Yeah, I think
Like
we're
now
deadlocked,
we are
buddy.
supposed to do like less quests and it's taking more time.
Uh, yeah, so I think this is a deadlock, bud. You're just done. Okay, so let me think a little bit. Why this didn't work? Why this didn't work? That's interesting. That's interesting. I don't know. I have a feeling that this should have worked. Because how gonna debug this now? You know.
Good question.
Okay, so let's put a log print. I reached my limit. Okay, in this we're gonna put log print adding 1 to the counter. That's yeah, we were definitely deadlock. That definitely a deadlock was happening there. That sucks because it's really hard. At least my experience is pretty hard to debug these sort of things. Neko jobs 3 Python. Oh, oh, you see here?
I reached my limit.
So the wait, but we have 5, man. 5 adding 1 to the counter, and I asked for 3.
Ah. Oof. Something is wrong.
And then how many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
A
14,
bunch.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 9. I think we have the 20 here. So all workers reach their limit, which is exactly what we want. But maybe it's not break. What should we do, man? I'm starting to think it's way G done.
Okay.
And then break. Because we need to inform to the group itself, because we're using a waiting group. We need to inform to everybody. Oh, we are finished. Okay, next one. Neko jobs 3 Python. Oh, negative await group counter. Interesting. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. So breaking doesn't work. And if we do done here, we also are not in a good shape. But it doesn't make sense, right? Because the way the defer is adding the done here, as far as I know. So done in here. So yeah, we should not have to put these guys here. Who is deadlocking us? That's a really, really complicated question. Complicated. Oh! Breno is on. Yeah, but before, okay, so let's stop this task because evidently we don't have the concurrency knowledge to debug this. We need a professional, and that sucks. But well, this time it added only 3 instead of 5.
Yeah, that's a really bad sign.
Yeah, it's not. It's definitely not doing the thing that we want. Yeah. Okay, so let's pause this task and let's try to do the database stuff. So Discord database Heroku. Best way to save data using Node.js.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Oh, so at the end we're gonna use Firebase?
Huh?
Ah.
Wait, no. Hey, no, you're not. No, wait, man. Firebase has nothing to do with what we want to do necessarily. If you are thinking regarding a database, like a normal database, but it can be a great option for us because that way we don't need the database on Heroku. We also have database as a service using Firebase.
Which one do you prefer?
I don't know. Like, I think that would be simpler in some sense doing the Firebase because we don't need to set up database or strings
Discord,
and shit. But on
Discord,
the other side, that's all yet another platform to use, right? So
I agree, but do you know how to manage in Heroku, like databases in Heroku?
I don't know, but it's pretty easy as far as I remember.
Okay, manage.
Like you can go on add-ons, and there you can add like a Postgres add-on, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh yeah? Oh, Heroku Postgres.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's literally like an add-on there. An add-on.
Okay, so let's try. Let's try YOLO a little bit. So
but wait 1 second. What about showing stuff?
Yeah, the only thing that matters is not showing the password and not showing the token, which is fine. As far as I know. Because you need to put some effort to show the token.
Okay.
And we're not gonna do that. I should be. I'm already logged in, so then that's okay. So let's try to find our application, which is this thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to, I think it's resources, maybe.
Resources.
So
add-ons.
Yeah. Search for like Postgres.
Oh, here it is.
Go to Postgres. Free, of course. Holy, you can pay a lot, man.
You can pay 16
Whoa.
grand.
Yeah, you can go crazy on that.
Okay, submit order form.
Okay, you are agreeing on selling your soul for databases.
Okay, attached as database.
Okay,
Okay, so
now
how do you use this?
click there. Yes. We just need the like the what is the name? The connection string. I think that's the only thing we need, right?
Okay, so
Okay.
the health is available.
Maintains unsupported. Rollback
Rollback.
unsupported.
Yeah, no, if we do crap, we cannot undo the crap. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, what about settings?
Uh,
Credentials.
database credentials.
Oh, for
I'm not
manual.
gonna click in here.
Okay, okay.
Reset
Yeah,
database,
that's not
destroy
much.
database.
What is data clips? Maybe that's
Data
backup stuff?
clips. For free? Backup?
I don't know.
That sounds too good.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
maybe that's something for you to query the database. But man, I think we need to do well. Can you like hide your screen and take a look on credentials, because I think that there is where you get our connection string, or you can look for a tutorial that they will say.
No, but I cannot just create like a table in here.
I don't think you do. I think
Oh,
you can
that sucks.
connect with the server and do it there, right?
Oh, we can have 20 connections.
But yeah, we need a connection string, and I think it's there on the credentials. Okay.
Okay, so you're not looking at my screen, right?
I am looking, but the transmission ended.
Okay, so that's fine then, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I have a bunch of things like we have a host, we have a database, we have a user, we have a port, we have a password.
Yeah, that's pretty much the connection string, yes.
So these I'm gonna put inside .env, I think, right? For development.
Yeah, that's actually yeah.
Okay, but which ones should I?
It depends.
Which one should I?
Probably all of them. But that's
all of them.
Yeah, like.
Okay.
Have you like when you take a look on Go and you have like a library for like connecting with database, they will ask for something for you to connect, like either a struct with this information or a string with this information, right? And then we just need to pass it. That's it.
Okay, so I'm grabbing everything. So password. This.
Wait, we are really dumb, man. Actually, just close Heroku. We don't need that. Let's do it locally. Do you have Postgres there?
No.
Oh, that's bad. Wait, how do we do in dev then? Like, can you install Postgres there?
Oh no, I do have Postgres. Sorry, now you just remembered. Yeah, we use it at work.
Yeah, but with containers, right?
Yeah, that's the thing that I think I'm using, containers.
Yeah. But wait. Do you need like compose to expose the?
Anyway, man, I'm copying these things, and that's gonna be fine. Okay, everything is copied. I can close this. Okay, I can share my screen again.
Okay, but it's hidden, right?
Yeah, it's hidden. Okay. Yeah, it is hidden. Let me just double check. Yeah.
Even though I don't think anyone can do something with that information.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Let me see. Yes.
Okay, so I do have in the file. We just need to do the trick to get it into the program like this.
Okay, just search for database in Go.
Okay. So database in Golang. Accessing. A relational database. Introduction to database programming with Go.
Database programming.
That's a new one. Okay. Okay. I already have the database, I guess.
In theory.
Find and import the driver. Oh, you need to import the...
Yeah, but that's one for MySQL, right? So you probably have the /Postgres maybe.
Yeah, but you can... Okay, so let's try that. So PostgreSQL, Golang. Yes, this.
Building a simple app with Go and Postgres. That sounds promising, man.
A simple to do app. Oh, it's this one. No, Go Fiber. Is this the one?
I don't know. Maybe Fiber is a framework for APIs. I'm not sure, but I think it is.
It is a web framework.
Oh yeah, so just past that. He's just doing the API for now.
No, but he's already putting the port and things like that. You see?
Yeah, that's just for API, not for the.
Yeah.
It's not the part from your database, right?
Okay, so this is also endpoints.
Yeah, just okay. It is working. Now database is down there.
Oh, so this is the application. Okay, so this
connection.
is the
Yeah. So that it is.
SQL. Yeah, but what is this? Is this a connection string?
Yeah, like the name there.
We're gonna have to do we're gonna have to concat it by hand though. Okay.
Not really. We can pass the string as the connection string as the environment thing.
Do we have that?
No. See, instead of getting all the parameters that you copied in a different environment and then glue them together, you can already put the whole string. You see, as the environment variable. So the name of your environment variable will be connection string, and then you just pass it to the.
Okay, let's try. Let's just do something here and see what happens. Okay, so I don't know. Let's do it here.
Okay.
Let's save. Oh yeah, so it added the database SQL here.
Oh, that's amazing that they.
Okay, so now what we need to do is to create our own of these, as far as I understood.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you don't need that. You don't need that last part, I guess. That slash to dos and stuff.
Okay, so it's gonna be this plus go dot env variable, and I guess this is gonna be user. Then plus column.
Yeah, database user, right? But yeah.
And then go dot variable password. Okay. And then this.
Yeah, I think I'm not sure if database IP it's the name of the database or it had. I'm not completely sure if it's.
Yeah,
just
let me stop streaming this to check that.
Okay.
Okay, so we have database, we have host.
You have
that.
Okay.
We have database, which is probably the database IP. We have a user. We have a port. We have a password. We have a URI, which is pretty similar to what we want. I think we want the URI, man. It's already made up for us. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's already made. It's already made. Nice. We don't have to do this ooga booga stuff. Okay, so screen. And I don't have it. Okay. Okay, so instead of doing all of this, We just pick this.
Did you add it to your file?
Done.
Did you add it to your file? To your .env?
It was already there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I guess now we do what? Continue following this.
Yep.
If we need to import SQL drivers, we'll be able to connect to the database. Oh, so you need drivers specifically to...
Wait.
That sucks.
What the fuck? Like, I'm not getting it. You install it, but you don't actually use it?
Oh, the guy is creating a database using a GUI though.
Not a problem.
Oh, so we can do this too?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I think, yeah, this is a problem. So importing, oh, here it is, importing a database driver. What the freak is this? In this documentation, you use the MySQL drivers. So you need just the package to manipulate the database SQL, and you also need the driver for a specific one.
Apparently, yes.
We can try to YOLO it though.
Yeah, just...
Yeah, we can try to do something along the lines of...
Yeah, but check the link on GitHub first, like, to see if it is written like Postgres.
Okay, so instead of MySQL, we're gonna put Postgres SQL like this?
Maybe just Postgres.
Like this?
Yes.
No.
Nope. So let's take a look on that profile, like Go SQL driver. Oh my god.
4, only 4.
But they showed you the one, right? It's something PQ, like.
Oh man. So here's the driver.
Not
Okay,
sure if you lose this
Postgres,
post.
SQL Golang. Oh, this one you mean?
lib.pq go.
What is this? A pure Go Postgres drivers. Yeah, it is this.
Nice.
It is that. Okay, so let's do this.
But what the fuck? The name is lib. Lib. The name of the profile is lib.
Okay, so the first question is, okay, now that we have the driver and we have the thing itself, how can we make a, I don't know, how can we create a table?
Good questions.
Yeah, so now we have the driver. Oh, it's in here. We're just dumb.
Yep.
Okay. Connect to the database. Okay. Then it's doing a bunch of stuff. Put handler. Post, put, delete. Okay. And I'm assuming this handler comes from the lib.
Yeah, that's only regarding like fiber stuff.
Fleshing out our route.
Oh, so you guys are looking at the database already?
Yeah, we already created a database.
Oh, man, I want to help, but I need to finish this thing.
It's in here. You see, not Maggot.
Mm-hmm.
So now we need a way to interact in Go with the database. So now we are reading.
Oh man, 10,000 rows? That's
10?
not a lot.
That's
No,
not a lot, but I
it
think
is a
if we
lot for us.
and
Well,
then,
considering we just search for jobs like, I don't
The-
know, closure. Ocano, Haskell, I think that's enough.
no, and there's also another thing. If we want to upgrade, it's $9 to go to the next level. It's not like outstanding, like extraordinarily
We could
expensive.
make an extreme go horse schema and store like a string per day, and then we parse the string. Then that way we have like 10,000 days, like, or 10,000 requests.
Oh, it's like this, Nathan. You do db.query and then you put the.
But that's for query, right?
This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
like Dapper on .NET.
Yeah, but now we need to understand how to create a freaking table.
Yeah, maybe you will do on your CLI
Just
on Heroku? I don't know.
Just do SQL, like connect to the thing. Like, I don't know, he's using pgadmin. Just connect and make a SQL script.
No, but on Heroku, right?
Yeah, on Heroku. Ah, you don't need to use Heroku.
No, but the
we
database
are
it is.
using Heroku.
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying you don't need to use Heroku as an interface. You can just connect to the database.
Yeah, but how? Okay, but we already can
What is
connect, I
setting?
guess. Well, I think we can connect here.
You have your CLI stuff. No, wait. That is nothing to do with our application maps. Like, just you, Heroku CLI, and creating...
No. But that's the thing. What Mageta is saying is that we can just put we can create the table from here using a script.
No. Yeah, I wasn't talking about this. I was talking
Create.
No, but
No,
wait,
no,
that's
no, no,
query,
no.
man.
No,
Like,
I'm not talking about this. I was talking about like literally making a SQL script that will create that, not making like it from Go.
Oh, okay, and I see.
But here's the thing. It's better to hide the token since you're streaming.
No, but everything is hidden, man.
No. Because here's the thing. On Heroku, they give you a token, like a thing to the database.
Yeah, it's already hidden. It's already in a dot in a hidden file.
So is this thing connecting to the database?
We don't know. We can test.
Okay, so test it.
yeah, but hey, man, you need
but,
to
like,
you need to
here's what I'm
deploy
saying,
that, right?
This is connecting via the Go thing. I want you to connect via some, like, I don't know, the Beaver, something like this.
Oh,
Emacs,
that's not what we are doing. Okay, I
Yeah.
need to stop sharing the screen then.
Wait, I'm so confused right now.
Like, we need to connect via some client to make the things. Like, in the example,
No.
they are using pgadmin.
Yeah, that I got it, but we are doing on production and he has nothing to do with our application, man. It's just we getting the Heroku CLI and doing stuff there.
Oh, you can go to the Heroku CLI if it's a terminal and do like things in the repo. Not repo. How do you call a database thing? I think Postgres, like, you can make
New database connection. No, I'm already doing in the Beaver.
Okay.
Wait,
okay.
Lems. You cannot use that connection string, man. That thing is on their machine, you know?
No,
No, I'm gonna use the
connection
credentials.
string.
I'm gonna use the other credentials, Nathan.
Uh...
Remember that the link itself, the connection string.
Wait, it doesn't need to be locally? You can...
Yeah, I can connect to it. I can connect to it.
Okay, that would be awesome.
Yeah, that would be great. Okay, so the port is correct. The host. Yeah, let me just copy paste this thing. It's gonna take a while.
Hey, man, do you have in that URI? Do you have the address for your like application or machine or something? If you don't,
we have a bunch of random stuff.
Well, like if you don't have the IP or a like URL, then there is no way you will connect that.
Man, they give you a string that has everything.
That's the string that we are talking about.
No, but isn't the string to connect locally? So when the application is inside that machine,
no. They give you a public thing with a token, like everything, so you can connect via anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to connect. I'm doing a test connection. Yeah, I connected to there.
Ooh.
Okay. So that's
is it a Postgres or a MySQL?
Postgres.
Okay, we are all Postgres enthusiasts. That's funny.
I wouldn't consider me that.
I wouldn't consider myself. But then there's a catch, though. Can I show something in the Beaver? Now that's an interesting thing.
Why are you
Okay,
not
so
sharing
schemas,
again?
public, tables. We don't
Can't
have
you share
tables, so let
again?
me create a table.
Can't you share again?
Nathan, no, but I can share, but then Nathan needs to stop looking at
No,
it.
but like, dude, like you already hit the things, like the strings.
No, but there's something called database, and then there's a hash.
Okay, I'll
The
wait for you
database
to-
name, it has a name which is also a hash.
Yeah, so forget it.
Okay, so but I want to create a table though. Wait a second. I never created a table like this. So let me try to find in the Beaver. How the heck? Create a new table. Okay. Okay. So new table. What's gonna be project ideas? Project ideas.
No man, we just have like 10,000 rows. I don't know anymore.
No,
Nothing.
let's have two tables only. One for jobs and one for ideas. Okay. So how exactly do you create a column on this crap? Read, search items. Wait. If this is already being saved, no, it's not being saved. How do I apply? I want to go to oh, here, save. Ah, okay. Yeah, but how do I create a column now? Create a new column. Okay. So the first thing would be I don't know, idea, the idea itself, I guess. The other thing would be like a timestamp. What's the type of a timestamp? Date.
Timestamp? There is a type timestamp.
Oh, there's a type.
Yeah.
Uh,
Think of a type
timestamp.
both those
Timestamp.
has.
There's three timestamps. Time underscore stamp.
I think it's
Timestamp.
because of the time zone. Another doesn't have the formatted dates.
Yeah, but there's one with timestamp like twice, but one has underscore in the middle.
That's weird.
That's
Underscore.
bad.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know.
Okay, so let's put timestamp as a column as well. And let's okay, so this is a new column. Another one would be the author of the idea.
Wait, did you name it as timestamp, the name of the column?
Yeah.
No, man, put something like created at or updated at. Like, timestamp doesn't tell you shit.
Created. It's because I was assuming we always gonna assume created at, but okay. Okay. Now we have, okay, so three columns. Created at, the idea itself, and the author. I think it's enough. Save. And persist. Okay. Now let's go back to Heroku, just a sec. Yeah, it worked!
Nice. Oh man, that's a good experience.
Yeah, but I cannot see the... I can't see the...
Hmm?
I can't...
On Heroku,
I can't...
you say, right?
Yeah, in Heroku I can't see anything.
Like, not a problem. You have on the Beaver. Just connect to Go and like. Right?
Okay, I will close the Beaver now and go back sharing the screen.
Okay.
Oh man,
Okay.
Canonical is destroying Ubuntu, man.
Okay, so you see here,
Wait, just.
we have, for some random reason, we have two connections. I don't know how that's possible.
Probably it's one in the thing and
The
another.
Beaver and the
the Beaver.
production, right? If you already. Wait.
Oh, I see. Okay, and the table that I created is in here.
Nice.
Okay, so now let's try to insert something.
I think you can also use via Heroku, like gonna say like pgadmin, like it also offers that as a service, I think.
Oh, like an add-on with that?
Yeah, probably it's an add-on.
Oh.
Okay, 1 second, Nathan. I forgot if I put project ideas or project idea. I hope I did in plural. Yeah, we're almost there. This was surprisingly easy.
Well, we are not writing and reading on Go yet, but yeah, easy.
Okay, project ideas. I did in plural. Nice. Okay, so screen share. Okay. So what do you think, Nathan? Let's try this to see what happens.
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, but you need to print this stuff, right?
That's true. So fm print, and there's missing a db here.
Can you print
Okay.
arbitrary type?
Yeah. Okay. Let's try. So this should work like immediately, right?
Man, you are
Unknown
local.
driver.
No. You are. Wait.
Unknown driver Postgres.
Forgot an import.
Oh, probably it's a library you need, something like this. Oh, no, wait.
Oh,
I think it's in
yeah.
the
No,
open.
that's true. No, that's true. We need to. We forgot. We
The
need to import
PQ,
this.
right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's something like this.
So you can import things
Yeah,
from
but it's
GitHub.
lib and PQ, right?
Yeah. Yeah, lib here.
Yeah, /PQ.
Yeah, and yes, you can import things from GitHub.
Yeah, but then you need a placeholder as yeah.
Okay.
That's why it's destroying infra, because it's so easy to get stuff.
Wait, what exactly is going on?
Probably
The thing you are printing, right?
Probably, yeah. You don't know the type. You probably need to serialize.
You don't have your printer for it.
Ah, I need to serialize it. That's true.
I'm guessing.
No, but that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense.
But that would be very stupid. What kind of library connects to the database and doesn't serialize already?
Okay, so let's go back to the tutorial of this guy.
Maybe you do the result dot something, man. What is the type of the thing?
Oh, the type of the result of that? It's this. Rows and error.
No, the type. Like, what is the type?
What is type is?
Rows.
Oh wait, we were printing the tuple also? That is that, right?
Okay, so there's something called SQL.rows apparently.
Okay, and can we dot something to it? Okay.
We have next.
So
we have
that's
scan.
a collection, right? How do we?
Let's try columns first.
Okay.
See what happens. Oh, here are the columns.
That's nice.
Nice. Okay, so if I do columns, can I do dotted? No, I can't. Okay. That's
It's impressive how things are going surprisingly easy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't expecting this. To be.
Okay, so now we need a way to get to insert something, right? Does this guy will explain to us how to insert? No. Okay. Let's try to YOLO it then.
Man,
so
just
db
dot something.
No, I don't want to do.
Oh, you have an arbitrary exec.
Query.
Nice.
Why don't you run like a query, like
insert?
Well, for me, query is like only for querying, isn't it? Like that was I would.
Oh, he's gonna use an insert. I want you to do. Oh no, he already did like a query select rows, right?
I always forget the order. Insert SQL.
Insert and then the name into no.
Name?
Insert the statements into.
Okay, so the idea.
The
okay, so the idea. Oh, you do like this, and then you do
It's
the
insert into table name.
insert into project
Yes.
ideas.
And then the tuples of the columns.
Isn't
and
there
then
like
you do-
values?
And yes, but after you do after you do the tuples, first you need to name the columns. If you want them to be for you to be sure they are in the order. Yes, and then you do values and them respectively. You can
Okay.
omit the columns, but like you have no guarantee they will be like on the right place.
Yeah, no, but I want to omit the timestamp because the timestamp I kind of want to do it. I don't know if it's
Yeah, so you can ignore just the timestamp.
yeah.
Is it with a not null or default on a timestamp? How do you make the column?
I think it's not new.
If it's not null, you need to insert if you didn't do a default.
Okay,
Did you add like a default, blah blah blah?
let me check. Ah, okay. Okay, so I did. Okay, so it's initializing whatever. Okay, so the timestamp, it doesn't have a default. Yes. How do I add a default into the scrap?
Oh, now that you already created the table, you either delete the table or you modify it. You alter.
Yeah, I
I'll
think
put it
that
here.
modifying is easy in the Beaver.
No. Well, in the Beaver, it might be dumb, but like in SQL, it's
It might be dumb. Might be dumb. How do you do the default? For
default
like
timestamp. You put like the default and the thing you want it to be filled with, and then like you do just default, blah blah blah, timestamp.
okay, that's not that helpful. Wait, so
You do-
default
There is a thing
timestamp.
called current timestamp that you can just do like.
That's what I want. Current
Do the
timestamp. Yeah.
following: select current timestamp, and then semicolon, right?
Oh, let's do that then. Let's do that. That works. That
That will
works.
show. I think that says current timestamp.
Do you want to persist? No. Okay. Okay, I will share the screen back again. So your idea is to
minimize. Can't you minimize the stuff and just show the SQL garbage? Like I mean, like minimize the things that show like stuff from the name of the database and such.
Yeah, it's just less safe, right?
It is less safe, but I want to try that because it's really stupid to stop streaming, going back,
Okay.
stop, going back.
Like I hope you are not like with the like used to do a bunch of like
name of
out
the
tab.
database- The name of the database really doesn't matter. Then now the string is the problem. Just make sure like there's no hash or anything.
Yeah, the hash is only the database name. The database name is a hash. Aside from that, I don't know. Okay, I can minimize it. Minimize.
Hey Lemos.
Yeah, it's done. It's working.
Lemos.
Okay, so do like the field and then you do,
Wait.
like,
I think Nathan wants to talk.
Like how much time are you like being here? Because I will like get some food, so I need to know if.
No, we need to go further because we started 20 minutes late. So.
No. I mean regarding streaming, I need to like go right now. But should I leave everything open here streaming, or should I end the stream?
No, don't end the stream.
Okay, so I come back in minutes.
Yeah. Okay. In the meanwhile, we can go ahead with this, Maggot.
So you do like.
Wait. Now I can share. Now I can share the screen.
Schema, man, that's the problem.
Here. Here is the table.
Oh, thank you. Go to the SQL.
Go to the SQL.
Like a script. Didn't you make a script?
No. It makes in dbeaver. You don't have to make scripts. That's the thing. You can just click. It's so much faster.
No, man, it's not faster.
It is faster.
You're a programmer, man. Do script. Because if you can save the script, man, like you can export from Viz as well, but like it's much better to know what you're doing. Like, oh man, look at this garbage. Clicking. Okay, so now you need to know how to add a default there. You just make anything.
Oh, so that's why you want to make the script.
Probably it's current _ timestamp.
current timestamp. Like this?
No, without, it's not a function. It's just
Like-
a thing.
Like this?
Yeah.
We can try to save it.
I don't know, man.
Oh, here's the script.
Oh, man, it's much better to write that. And you're learning SQL while you do
I
that.
already know SQL. I don't want to use
So
it
why not
anymore.
start
I use
again? You should
I
type.
used for a year. I don't want to use it anymore.
Yeah, man.
Is this what you want?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's outer column, yeah. The column created that. The
Oh,
full expression of type timestamp with time zone. So that's the current timestamp with a time zone. What is the type of that garbage column?
Is this?
Uh,
We have
Search
timestamp
for
with
date
underscore.
time. Search for change for date time.
Date time. Okay, date time. We have that.
Just type.
Date.
No, date time, not date.
We don't have date time.
What the heck? Underscore.
It's date.
So
Just
try
trust.
Date, but I remember the typing date time, not date. Yeah,
I
try.
remember being date. No. Created at is a type date, but the full expression is of type timestamp. Let's just put timestamp. I don't know why you were fighting about it. Timestamp like this.
Fighting because the current timestamp is not a timestamp. It's a
Time zone. Cannot cast type information schema timestamp to timestamp without time zone. Yeah, I think it's what you said. So we have other timestamps though. Time with time zone, time without time zone, timestamp with underscore, timestamp. Oh, there's even timestamp with time zone and without. I think we are doing ours is gonna be without.
Yeah, I don't remember the other options. I remember used this with Hina, but I don't remember the.
Cannot cast. We can try to create a new table correctly this time.
Man.
So funny to see you pissed, man. So funny. Time.
I'll be back.
Type timestamp does not exist. Yeah, I got that. Thanks. Okay. So we have types that are time underscore timestamp. Okay, but this didn't work.
Oh man, all of this because it didn't go with the script.
No, the script will be the same problem.
No, it wouldn't, because the types in the script are not like with underscore. I don't even know what the beaver is doing there.
No, that's the way I discovered. We have types with underscore and the same things without underscore.
Yeah, but it don't have date time, which is a type in Postgres.
Yeah, we don't have date time. That's true.
Are
you sure?
Yes, I'm exactly sure. What is this? What is the version of this Postgres?
That's a good question.
Probably. Well, I don't know, man. Do the following, man. You click on the SQL up there? Click. Yes. Okay. Type select.
It's done. Wait. But the name of the thing is appearing now.
I didn't see anything.
No, yeah, you don't. But the stream is
Okay.
the stream is still going.
We can change the name, man. It doesn't matter.
Okay, the name doesn't matter. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
we can change the name later. Like we can drop the database and start a new one.
Okay.
That's
Okay, so
and what is he showing? I can. Okay, part of the thing. But it's just a part of the thing. Doesn't matter. Okay, do select current timestamp. What is that speed? You see, it even completes, man. Current timestamp. Yes, there. Semicolon.
I think I need to put a from.
Semicolon. Yeah. Now Control Enter. I think.
Control Enter.
Cool. Okay, so it has the time zone. See?
It has a time zone. Yeah, but what's the type of this? That's the question.
Yeah, it should be a date time. So try to do the following. You can cast types in Postgres. So I don't know you can print the version, but let me see here. Postgres cast type.
Can't we just
I
see
don't
the
remember
type?
How was the syntax? Okay, it's just cast. So select cast, and it's a function.
But I just want to see the type of this. Why that's so hard?
It's SQL, man. This language is garbage. And then you do the thing as inside the thing. No.
Oh, inside.
No. Yes, inside and out. So out, do the following. No, out. Sorry. Out of the parentheses, do as date time.
Like this?
Is that right? Oh, no. Sorry. It is inside. Never mind. It is as date time inside the thing. Outside will be on the select. That's
Are you sure?
Okay. I'm sure. Try.
Daytime does not exist.
That is strange. Let me see. Postgres.
Yeah, but it worked. We have the date here. But we don't want that because we can have multiple IDs in the same day. We want the full thing without the time zone.
Yes, wait. Timestamp will come with a time zone, but you can cast and then you can.
It doesn't matter.
There's another one. Dude, if we cast, we remove the time zone. That's what I'm talking about.
No, but it doesn't matter the time zone.
Just right. Without time zone. Just that. Timestamp without. I think that will not work because that is part of the type. Because it's not like that.
It's underscore. No.
Try like this. Cast. Oh man, let me type here. I can't
cast. Cast.
Hang on, let me connect my thing. Can you see here on the Discord?
Yeah, I can see Discord.
Should be. Oh man, what the heck? Should be select, and then you do cast. What's the name of the thing? Current timestamp as. How can I type this? Timestamp without some. I think it's like that.
Where did you send it? Oh,
I
here.
sent on Discord.
Okay, so cast current timestamp is timestamp without time zone.
Yes, literally written.
Yeah, it worked.
Okay, does he have the time zone? No, right?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, that's right.
Okay, so we just copy paste this.
You can remove the time as well, I think, without.
No, we want the time. We want the time.
Okay.
Okay, so we just put this in here.
It's casting. That's why I said I don't know how to do it there.
I see. I
think it's without the cast. But it doesn't make sense because the S is part of the cast. So, I don't know. I think I know. Like,
wait. Just a second. Just wait.
No, never mind. I think that's right. Yes.
Is this right?
I think no. The type is timestamp. Is that right? Yes. Okay. So try to persist. Let's see.
Cannot cast type information schema timestamp to timestamp without time zone. So I think
it's handling the default as a string. That's why it's not like a value.
Okay, so if it's handling this as a string, then
drop now base and make a table. I can make one like right now. What is the name of the thing you want? What's
no. Let me drop this table. I will delete this table.
The table. I'll make a query. What's the name of the thing?
Oh, I get the beast. It's so fun.
I'm a SQL maximalist now. Not a SQL because SQL is garbage, but
I'm back.
Okay, I'm gonna create a new table now.
Okay.
Create a new table.
No, don't create via the interface, please. Please don't do that. So tell me the fields you want. What are the fields?
Okay, I want 3
What's the name of the
fields.
table first?
The project ideas. Project underscore
Project
ideas.
ideas.
Yeah. Then we're gonna have 3 columns. Author, which is a varchar 2.
Okay.
Created at.
Varchar of how many?
I don't know, 100.
100. Okay.
I don't know who the heck has this size of name, but that doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, then we want to create it at, which is going to be a timestamp without the time zone, but with the time.
Okay. Created.
Then
Wait. It's a timestamp. It's a
it's a,
timestamp that you
without.
want a default. Is that
Yeah,
it?
I don't know. I want to automatically put the time when I do an insertion.
You
That's what I
want to automatically input the time. Okay, so it's gonna be not. You don't need to do not know. We're gonna do the full time stamp. Oh man, it's horrible to write here on Discord. Here.
And then the third column is going to be the idea itself, which is the maximum varchar 2 possible.
I could be a text instead. It's a field. It's a type as well. Okay, so
yeah, that's it. 3 columns, 1 table. That's it. Oh, and Nathan, we ended up showing by accident the name of the database, but Nagata thinks doesn't matter, and I agree with him.
I also think.
Yeah, we could just. If
We
it's
can
the name of the database, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we can also drop the database because and create a new one.
So I am not sure if you need to do this, but I did it anyway. See if it works. I'm not sure you need the cast. I think you don't, but try.
Okay, I will try. Okay, so create table. Okay, here and go. Okay, so syntax error at or near time.
Near time. Which time? The first, right? I assume.
Position 141. So I think it's the last one.
Uh,
Yeah, 141 is the last one.
okay.
Last time.
Hang on, doc. Let me run a thing in Postgres here real quick. Postgres.
This project's so fun.
And it was so quick.
Man, I don't want to launch a Postgres thing just to run a.
What did you say, Nathan?
And it's so quick also.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Even though you did a lot at beforehand, right?
Yeah, not a lot. I wouldn't classify what I did offline as a lot. It's just preparation because I knew it would involve passwords and tokens and things like that.
Let me just start a Postgres instance.
Oh man!
Wait, for what?
For testing this.
And to do it online?
Well, yeah, I guess.
Oh, we can do it here. I'm sharing the screen still, right?
Yeah,
so
we're stupid.
okay, so Postgres SQL online.
Let me see. Let me just see. I think I could make it run. Yes. Okay. I have the beaver here. Can just log in as well.
SQL Fido. Okay, so let's try. I'm here.
SQL. Oh, Apache, I hate you.
We don't. Okay, yeah, we want this.
Running. All right, I could connect it now. Connect.
Please build a schema. Oh, here you see, it's the exact same thing as presented in the beaver.
Is they without stuff?
No, it's complaining about the time stuff. This time specifically.
So let me see here. I have a database.
How to do default value Postgres.
So let me try. So you said it was failing on the time, right?
In the second time, like the one close to the end of the line.
That's weird. Why the second? As
Syntax error.
Probably. Oh man, timestamp without time zone. We're stupid. I forgot the timestamp.
Timestamp without the time zone.
Yeah, it's just without time zone. It's as timestamp without time zone.
Oh, here.
Yes. Yeah, now it works.
Okay, so let's try. As times.
Actually, there is a syntax error on a parenthesis.
Yeah, that's true.
Comma.
I also got that.
Yeah, just remove the comma. It's working.
The last comma, right?
Yeah, it's the last on the text.
Yeah, it worked. Nice.
Okay, we need a primary key for the thing. I think it will assume like an auto increment thing.
Yeah, we're gonna assume an auto increment thing.
Oh, that's garbage. I hate that.
No, but I already created the table though.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now. Wait, did I create? No, I didn't create the table. What the? Why the beaver didn't create the table? I'm confused.
Yeah, man, I'm becoming a SQL master. Not really.
What the heck? What the?
Magetta, are you watching Spy Family? Or were you?
Wait, I'm watching what?
What a champ!
Spy
Out of
Family.
nowhere.
Spy Family.
Oh, you don't know it.
Yeah, he doesn't know it. Everybody's watching aside from Magetta.
Yeah, I don't watch stuff, man.
But it ended, right? It ended a week ago or something like that.
Yeah, I'm eating like peanuts. That's why I remember.
Oh, you remember the... That's funny. Okay, so Magetta, your script works, but I cannot use it to create a table apparently.
Drop table and then you drop the previous table and then do this. Can you do that?
Yeah, that worked in terms of like the script was accepted, but that didn't create a table.
What?
I still don't know why.
Create a table for me here.
Wait, maybe it's because I have multiple. No, that's the thing. I can show you because I have other schemas here from work. So maybe I created in the work database.
No, if you. Oh, did you make a use first? Oh man, did you do like use database blah blah blah?
No,
because you need to select which database you want to run, like the SQL script.
Is that pop it up to you?
No, I didn't do that because if you click on the database, like with double click and press SQL, I think on the Beaver already loads the context for that database. But I'm not sure.
No, but it's saying that now I'm really confused because it's saying that the table already exists. What the crap?
Probably it already exists in the public. Check the public.
I'm already in the pub. Oh no, it's here. It's definitely in here. Wait, but how do I persist this to like Heroku?
If it's already there.
Yeah, so let's assume it's already there then. Okay, let's do an insert. Let's do an insertion to finish this scrap for today. I've closed the beaver. No, I don't want to save. Okay. So let's do it then. Going back to the code. So I don't need to put the timestamp anymore, right?
No.
Okay. So it's gonna be this, and then values, and then I don't know. I think it's gonna be single quote in here, single quote here.
I forgot to put not null on the other fields, but I think you always fill them, so it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, so the idea will be this is a test, and the author will be me. Okay. Now do you have to persist or like send whatever command to exec ping prepare query set stats? I think you just go, right? You just close and then you're done.
I think you need to. I think this thing is a cursor, right? So you probably need to save. Do you have a save?
Save.
Because
We don't have a save.
Or commit. Check if it has commit.
Commit also no. We can go back to the tutorial, the guide tutorial. How do you set?
Because probably like
maybe they have like implicit commits.
Yeah, maybe they do. Maybe they do. Okay, so let's test it then, and let's put defer in this close as well. Okay. Let's comment this line. Okay. Now let's execute the application. If this works, it's gonna be really poggers. Okay, it did something. So let me.
It's something.
F5. One row.
Okay, one
row there.
Yeah,
one row there.
Query on the beaver. See if it's there.
No, what are you talking?
Just query there.
Wait. Take a look on the data.
The data.
Data
Can we
size.
look at the data size?
That didn't change. I mean, it's just text, man. I don't expect this to change.
But like, what the fuck, man? All of that?
No, because it has like public stuff like schema management from the database.
Even though that's so heavy, more heavy than I would thought.
Oh, it's just like to start the database and then like it will clean stuff, I guess.
What is a scan? Scan copies the columns in the current row into the values pointed by the dest. The number of values in dest must be the same as the number of rows in columns. I think this is not what we want. Okay, so it works in an iteration manner, which is not ideal. Return the column names. Column returns an error if the rows are closed. Okay, so we cannot just grab the values? That would suck. That would suck. What is next?
Oh, probably it's like an iterator. Yeah, this is an iterator.
Okay. Okay, so this is the 4 that we want. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so what is res also? Oh, res is a string. Okay. Okay, var res is string. Then the to-dos. What is to-dos? It's a okay, so it's a to-dos string. And then we can just print the to-dos. Okay. Okay. And go. Empty. That's not a good sign.
Yeah, but I don't check the beaver first if it's there. But I think it is because you saw there, right? Like one row.
No, but we saw in... We did in...
Project ideas or project idea?
That's a good question. You did project ideas or idea? That's an awesome question.
You said it ideas, right?
I said it ideas.
How's my script? Can you check the chat? Not, I can't look now.
Yes. Let me see.
Project ideas.
Yep.
There's one call. No. Data. Yeah, this is a test. This worked. The test of insertion worked.
The problem is go.
The problem is getting the data.
The problem is go.
The problem has
okay. All the rows and match our query as well as any errors that may occur. We can call defer rows close to close the errors and prevent further enumeration the function completes. We check if there are any errors, and then we loop through all the rows to assign the current value of the row to the res variable, which is defined as a string. We then append the value of res to the to-dos array. Okay, but how the heck do I print it? That's what we want.
Don't ask me.
Don't ask. Okay. Everybody saw that it was empty, right? I'm not crazy.
Maybe.
And it is project ideas. It is project ideas.
Well, he is using Go, right?
Shut up.
The sanity already decreased a little bit.
That's already a point towards that, man.
I always did. Whenever I think of Go, I always remember that JetBrains, like a GoLand, the ID commercial, like ne 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 ne, like the gopher.
Man, like Gopher itself, like he looks so dumb. Like
Yes, because the language. I remember Allison, man, like when he said, the language, the mascot is as poorly designed as the language.
like why would someone doing like intentionally that dumb, man? The Gopher thing. What the fuck?
Oh, the mascot?
Yeah.
I know, man. Like people think it's cute, whatever.
It is cute. That's undeniable.
Cute's like Okamo. Okamo is cute. Like it's
That's also cute.
Despite there being a mainframe clone mascot.
Okay, so but I think we can finish today. We did a bunch of stuff. Okay, so query.
Oh, thank you. I just need to let Kafka run in 2 days.
Nice. Nice. Extract data from the database.
Do we have
wait. There is another function called query row.
Okay, I think it's made for like independent rows, right? Like sequences, probably.
Yeah, so then you put your query, which in our case is select from project ideas, and you put the ID. Then I'm gonna assume it's number 1 in our case. Then, yeah, this is your row basically. This is your row, and then 0 found, panic error. Oh, selecting multiple rows. Oh, I see. Oh, that's why it didn't work then. It's because we need to put the amount of variables that we want to grab from the columns. That makes more sense now. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so we'll do rows. What we're gonna have there? We're gonna have the ID. We're gonna have the author.
I don't know. I'm not looking.
And we are also gonna have the idea and the created at. I'm gonna also assume that's gonna be a string.
Man, that looks weird even for imperative language.
What?
The whole thing on how you are getting those.
Yeah, a struct, like a struct would be better for this, definitely. And then created at. Okay. Then, yeah, then you just print the things. So I don't know, ID, and probably I need to put those in here. Okay. Then I'm gonna print everything in here. So fmt print author idea created at, and then you close the database. Okay. 0, a bunch of nothing, and then none, and then it finished.
I think you took the ID.
Sorry?
I think you got the ID only, and the rest, nothing.
The rest, nothing. And that's the part that I'm not getting. You do a single scan.
Can it dismember the thing to begin with?
What do you mean by dismember?
Yeah, like, go back there.
Oh, it's like this, Nathan. You can create structs for the deserializing the thing.
That looks bad. Oh no,
Okay.
but wait.
you
No,
saw that, right?
No,
You saw.
yeah, no.
Go ahead, Magenta.
No, it's just like, because you're passing the reference of those positions, right?
Yeah.
And it's only giving, is the first ID 0? I think it is, right?
I don't know in Postgres.
Yeah, probably it is. No, it's like a default thing for every, yeah.
That's debatable, but
Yeah, that's debatable. Yeah, but well, this is for something that I will ask Breno about it. Okay, now we can finish. I think you already stopped streaming before, right? Not.
No, it is streaming.
Okay, now we can stop.
Okay. Just a second.